What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevy Trailblazer remote key fob. This Chevrolet Trailblazer key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we hold it with the buttons facing down, and we take a look down here near the key ring, in the bottom of this back cover, you can see there's this notch right here that I have the screwdriver in. What I'm going to do is put the screwdriver in that notch and then pry up on this back cover, like that. Go ahead and pull that back cover off, and then we see our battery right here. And you may be able to get this out with your finger like that. If not, you can use your screwdriver to help get on the edge of the battery and popping it out. Once we get the old battery out of the holder, we'll grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. I'll tuck this edge in first like that, and then it'll just kind of sit there. Then I can snap the back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.